Сайн байцгаана уу? Өглөөний минь төргийн их мөндөд оролцогчдоо.
Very good evening to all of you.
Нийт өргөдсөн илтгэгч зочид
All invited speakers,
та бүхний энэ өглөөний мэндийг мэдээж
a warmly
Үний
greeted
уурхайн
today.
блоклон нурах арга
Here
технологи
we are starting
туршлага
this
симпозиумыг нээж байгааг мэдэгдээ.
on underground mining methods.
Үгийг хэлж мэдлэгээ дэвшүүлнэ хэмээн.
And this dedicated event is being thus started. The opening remarks will be provided by the Minister Yandong. Very good morning to all of you.
Өнөөдрийн энэ үний уурхайн блоклон нурах технологи
So block caving, underground mining, the theme dedicated event participants, speakers, contributors from the various sports in the world. Please accept my warmest greetings. The institutional strengthening of the mining sector in Mongolia, the responsible mining, the goals and objectives will be supported by this very event. And the newly updated the minerals law of Mongolia, National Wealth Fund, related legal reforms and overhaul is underway, and the Parliament of Mongolia will be discussing such important the policy documents. Therefore, the comprehensive measures involving their prospecting, exploration, and exploitation of resources will be addressed by such updates. And with the depleting resources in the world, the responsibility of the mining sector is increasing nowadays, and the responsible mining and our capacity of the mining sector is critical at this stage, including that of Mongolia. And with the view of capacity development and the learning experiences in gaining knowledge in this area, for that purpose, the very timely event involving the University of Science and Technology and experienced valuable experts and contributors. This engagement and contribution is very timely indeed. Block caving mining method is over 100 years history it has, but for the first time it's been utilized at Oyu-Tolgoi mine in Mongolia. And so this mass mining method, even though with a higher initial capital cost, but at the same time, the efficiency and low operating cost, it presents very objective in real opportunities and advantages. And during this COVID time, when the knowledge sharing and experience sharing is facing certain challenges, based on this online platform, such time the relevant discussions will be taking place under this symposium. So I call upon you to take the most active participation in this event and learn about block caving and ask any questions that you must be interested in. Also, those who are familiar with osteoabrasions, they are also the current issues involving the mine as well. They perhaps can be your knowledge and understanding can benefit from this event. I wish every success to the president.